Coastal TV Morning Mix a Wednesday's edition and na Ogusua Woshe no ene a women's special into no yebomodia say as much as possible no yebedi a man komo e wo fiase na makacho say enyaka say women's special na uyi wo video ni fiase na minim ne wo hwe because say uye hermaphrodite o say uye the other gender ye nyina no ye ka ho bi say say yedan ya wo baba wo sister wo mama wo auntie wo yire into no Bomodin say once we feed no Mfi Coastal TV channel no AFIBA ye sanso ye wo Facebook na ye live and colored e wo YouTube ti bomodin say obe join ye enkomo na ye di no na adwinche bi wo ha maka show ja wo comment section ase ye be kenkan di amount say mu aye wo ha ye de be ma onya sanso a ye be bo odin na kenkan di amount mesre bomodin say obe share link no amaye forward the link no ma obi because somebody can obi be here ebia information bia no pay asem bia no pay ye be ka o ha sei no obi be here so de be ya ade nti mesrew me mo na bro bo modern say obe forward message no e de amobi ansa na e be ko break ni medin kan ma o trailer bi say enkomo na e ba be di ofia say no very very important to wo sa ya nkrankra e na ye nyina say ye o mind say ye society no adehiade bia I was saying na ebo modin say yebedi sa enkomo no enti no bomodin am we video no enda ha badin kan aka ne dada. All right enti no me ka che say nansemu na yehu go focus e be very disturbing videos videos bia na entwe ye kra e wo ye internet ne so ene yanom fo ya omani nwuhwe obi e forward e share manko for but anka mmem na anka ni se anka yesa but ne ete ne se sabi o nkrofobia ye de nkofo obi de ne ba hye ne nsa se omomode na onche na de ma ne certificate na ontimi meye penny papa e wo omani mu no wadane adehye ne foforo instead of book mu no omo ye practicals na practicals no na sa intimate relationship ya entwe ye e wo ye school setting ni mu kra Coastal TV e betina ha e kan ho asem bebre ye kan ye adwen a ye betimi yaka ne mo ma wo see ye take from the professional point of view e den na ye mpanimfo no so e wo ka wo ho dia no betimi a kire in fact say koba ni say na ye next step e ye den as a society dia na wo say ye nti anope sa enkomo no na ye ba bedi e wo fi ha sei nye wuhu ye no ebia na emben wonti na ofi se we de say we chichi mpatwe ni echi ye mpotem ya na sa nyima nyina esisi obeti na obi ife bi me wife me yere the next na obi hu no ye say wasese akwala no anase bibisa ye enkomo bi a eni nyan but I say ye hwe na ye ka ni etu ase efi ho na ye hu hu bi kra na ye nte ho asem kra ewo ye mpotem me mama asem enye tintintin na anopei opani pa yenya no ofia se ya ye no eba bedi sa enkomo imo no aboye nchemu no eye acting regional director ewo Department of Children meche Central Region Department of Children ne de ono na sese no oye acting regional director ewo ho ni din no eye Miss Ivy Beauty Amartey on say din e de ai ono nene me no eba bedi enkomo ewo fia say Miss Ivy ye ma wakwa aba eba Coastal TV fia say.
Thank you very much, Wajoden.
Wajima Hinowa.
Yeah.
Miss Owen Makai, Wajima Hinowa.
Yeah, Hinowa.
Aye. Na, that's a society to suffer on Waba.
Masma don't ask part of one this opportunity to educate the general public. So thank you.
Thank you to very much. On the way all fancy and the miss me fancy. Anya share crano. Mete manso medawanasi. Until no miss me baby fancy with PSC. Sanity. Na enkomo na ye wo table no so no ne tie ne se asemi wo ha edika na se ya nhwe na society no yan kan ye ya enye asem papa emma ye daache especially ye nkwala na ye tete wo mu wo society no ansa na ye be hwe even the broader picture no picture kese na nkasa mpo no ye mfa emfiri ye mfinfin mantam sisi ano as Central Region as Cape Coasters no enima we enima bi a ye 30 e wo ha sei statistics no et say.
Okay, thank you very much. much. Answer na yebe ko nkomoni mu kra no. Abofra ba kra anyi hwana.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. So abuse ana ya kayekezi bebre wo ho a wode ye the momofra man. Na ya kayekezi ni ebi ye physical abuse. Oni ye ayakayekezi a wo ya oka abofra ban ne hunam. Ti dem a erigon, eributin, erititin. That I would pick it one after the other. Until, let me go to the other abuses. Now, you were psychological abuse. Only you dream. That is psychological or emotional. Near one neglect. There you be poor abufraban. Abufraban needs all the bigness. Inti say ya mana nature de ya poor abufraban. Like health, education, and all other. Show the child love. Only ya mana ya upon. So these are the four main abuser. Another ayakekeza wazi ya moframa. For the purpose of today, no, we are going to hammer on the sexual abuse. Only ayakekeza waye moframa ndemo ayakekeza. That one too, we have four main. In TF there, the physical aspect of it. There, let's go with the non-verbal. Non-verbal. Yes. Oh no, first no, I don't know. It still happens. Every chair will be na actual same. Exactly. Okay. What does it mean? You are not talking, but then actual same nature there. A pede enyinikaya warezi. Yes. And then also ashabu frabana mani I winking. What does it mean? You see. Also enkasa you, but it's non-verbal. What actions? There you are abusing the child sexually. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now let's go to the verbal. There and some ebeka eza abofraban. Na obama abofraban atre there a pede eyen ayekekezi wo indemu and sexually. There ebeka abofraban there. Oh, you mentioned something. I'm your wife. You are my wife. Sorry. Now wife no eden. What does a wife do? Why should you even tell me? Yeah. You give that child a special treatment. At times, our friend. What does it mean? Sometimes they say it make it so. Yes, when you feel inappropriate. Into the when to the fist. How do you do that? Until you go to extend the AFIBA, you are touching. Now, then you are having sexual intercourse. Then that is the physical aspect of it. Now we have the technological aspect of it, whereby you use the phone. Now a sender to sometimes they even force the child to watch it. It's on, and now they force the child to even act it. Send me nude, send me that. It's also another factor. We have something they call texting, sexting. Yes, so that is sex, not text. Into cring cring, what are you wearing? Cring cring, what dress me abakala? Cring cring. So that aspect of it, you know, you are using the technology, and then that is also a form of abuse. And then we have the one time when they, you know what, them in a single room. The child sees when you talk to children, in acting some are working and some are then you understand. There be you know what a room and who matching a field there is a BB akata. The children they see. So when they see these things, you know, what do you think happens to them? Obviously, he or she would like to practice these things. See a typical example: a mother or a neighbor. There, when you finish school, near a virgin, a mature of phone. So the question is, how would your mom know that a virgin at the time of baby school? Is she going to use a machine? Or how will she know? Then you'll be surprised. The child is there every 2 weeks. No mommy lay hair on the table. No yet. Inside to check. Inti awo mameno and I will funary them to check. No. What exactly are you doing? How more you are breaking? So these are the things that we do and more. Yenyim or yenyim, knowingly or unknowingly, there we are abusing these children. So that is sexual abuse kakra for you. Now let's take adults. When we say abuse can be vertically or horizontally. So the vertically means there will be our higher power. or abuse obi or lower power. And then it can be your mother to a child, a teacher to a student, a boss to yes. Then when we talk about the horizontal, people of the same group, of the same class, of the same age, and all that abusing each other. So it could be maybe our colleague who just moved from the TV. It can also be that student to student. So that is abuse among the students.
That's horizontal.
Yes, please. And then the vertical is from the higher to. And then from the higher to the lower, you see, it's abuse of power. Me being a boss, I can use my power to abuse my colleagues because I have higher authority.
Yeah.
A teacher can use his or her power to abuse students. Yeah. Now to the topic on the ground. A teacher is supposed to be, we have something we say in loco parentis. In place of a parent. In place of a parent means that you have the legal and moral duty to protect, to guide, to direct the child. So this child trusts a teacher because teacher today or any parent. So in place of a parent is a teacher. That is the role of a teacher in a school. Having said that, parents, because of that role, they neglect their children in the hands of teachers. Why am I saying that? Obi's in a boarding school. Not at all. Obi send the through a teacher.
Yeah.
Let's put a male wrong. No. But you, the parent yourself, you are pushing your child to that particular male teacher. Say, let's the adolescent age, for example. Exactly. When you are in that stage, the sexual drives and sexual desires and all that, it is natural. You can't run away from that fact. It is natural. So you better it is natural. So during that stage, say onya a male figure, no shown in love, one or two, it is easier for that child to be abused. Into parents, we don't have to leave our children in the care, only in the care of child protection. Right? There we will protect these children. So, but so when you take a child, give to a teacher, just what is wrong with the child? Everything, teacher area, a teacher area. You are pushing your child to that teacher. One, the teacher. Now I'm going to courses, right? Yeah. So teacher, or a human, just like you and I. Yeah. So some of the courses will be like nankasa, a teacher factor or an individual factor. Teacher nankasa ontum control just like any other individual. Anything in skirt him. So when these children are growing, it's so weak. When we classroom, all other things, the other facilities, what is happening in the lab, is the lab teacher or whatever in charge. Who supervises the supervisor? There should be somebody above who supervises, or if the supervisory system works, most of these things will reduce. Another thing is the parents. They take that, apart from not even visiting the child, some people provide everything for the child. Yeah. But some too, they neglect the children. They don't provide for the children. So, teacher be one more pen. enya pen. One ma ruler, enya ruler. One ma we diban because a committee. Apart from the dining a baby body okon. One ma pad. Like these little things are more from and one young. It draws them closer to the teacher. So it goes beyond just the teacher's act, but parents and then the school factor is another issue. Now let's go to the societal factors. Yeah. We are being socialized into believing there Abufraba Nekasano, it doesn't go anywhere. Yeah. Abufraba, you don't have to be assertive. If you're assertive, not shredded, embody. So they suppress these children there into they don't express this. They can't say no to abuses. Some of the parents will show their children love. Some don't. Some even they don't have fathers at all. When teachers try to show them a bit of love, the father role, then it connects. We have another one. Okay. The system of silence. Okay. In that when something happens to you, you are not able to report. Our reporting systems or education on reporting is lower. In Tobanidema, when these things happen, we don't report them. And then just look at what happens in the home. A father maltreats, abuses Abufraba. The mother will say your phone. Yeah. Otherwise, the community or the Obiabeti. Exactly. Same thing is happening in some schools. If these things happen, then the authorities Wabakatakatado. I said some because some are doing very well. Okay. The authorities in Wabakatakatado. So that this particular school, on Baba out there, this has happened in the school. Yeah. Obviously, you will tarnish the image of the school. Yeah. Into Wabakatakatado. So these are some of the causes of these things. Having mentioned the causes, now let's look at the effects. Abufraba, let's see this, the videos circulating. And I don't want to go deep into what happened because it's under investigation, right? Okay. But I want to talk about some of the comments from Nkrofo. One, I want to talk about the sharing. You mentioned that, and I was really happy about it. The sharing. Would you have shared? Would you have loved for somebody to share? So would you have allowed? Would you be happy? See what the child will be going through. Or your sister, you mentioned that. It could be anybody in there or yes, somebody. Tomorrow it could be some closer. Why then do we share? How is the child going to be like psychologically? I'll come to the effect. Now you read some of the comments. Another, you listen to videos that people have made on this particular issue. You see the way I'm talking. Oh yeah, I am shishi. Yeah. Because you see an adult saying Abufraba you see, and then you see people saying they are adults, teacher Abufraba was enjoying, and you see somebody say it's good, share the video with me, share, you know, the comments. Have you considered what this child is going through? The effects. Abufraba, who will go through all these things, forms of abuse, especially the sexual one that we are on today. Yeah. One, let's look at the psychological aspect. Because you don't see any signs. Yeah. But that is the most intense or most deep form of abuse, the emotional or psychological one. Abufraban obetina ho obejinjin, what is going to happen of me? Everybody is laughing, everybody is talking about me. what will be my how then do I even go out? They don't even tend to go back to the school, most of them. Your community, it's a viral, obiara. How is the child feeling? That is where Anshenia, there is trauma. It goes beyond that. Then suicidal thoughts, suicidal thoughts, urban dream. Na Anshenia, obeko krana na suicide. No way. Oh, I mean, how did we help this child? An adult is supposed to know better.
Yeah.
An adult is supposed, no matter the situation, an adult is supposed to know better.
Yeah.
As I said earlier, in local parentis, you are in place of a parent. How well are you protecting this child? Now, the psychological aspect. Abufraban going through all this, at the end of the day, say when your mental breakdown, if you are suicide, then that's the end. Now let's come to the physical aspect. With the physical aspect, health, the STIs are there, the chlamydias, the whatever, they are all there. Obetumenya insen. I am paying for insen and how much more Abufraba? Obetumenya insen teenage pregnancy or wa. This is it fistula or whatever. These things, the organs, they are not too developed enough. Yeah. So Obotumwe were damaged for the rest of his or her life. Yes, I share all these things that the child is going through. The child trusted an adult, and this thing has happened. That trust is gone. The society who is supposed to protect the child during difficulty, the society Nankasamo is laughing. Yeah. It's abusing the child. Where is the trust? The child is going through a lot. So we have talked about the emotional, the psychological, we've spoken about the physical. Yeah. Now it's stigmatization that will be with this child for the rest of the child's life. Education. The reason why Abufraba go school in the first place is education. And now Abufraba class 1 anshe ni onko biom. Nimpa obekwa class 1 so no na disua because the even ni PS no kwa laughing. Now disua is down. And now this year is down. How does the child learn? Poor academics. How is she learning to even become the somebody that we want that child to become in future? Until the child becomes a liability. So, when it happens like that, after all, is the sex nawaba. The person will continue having sex. Oh yes, be the same anymore. So all these things that I've mentioned. How are you going to take it? And even beyond Abufraba Nankasano, the parents, me and mommy. So I sit down to wonder, how am I going to act? Yeah. You understand? But the society look beyond all these things. You see, let's protect. If you are not protecting or people are not protecting, what are you and I doing to protect the child? You see, what are the solutions? Solution number 1, the Coastal TV Warrior. Yeah. You invited us to come to, you gave us a free platform to educate the public on these things. And we say thank you very much. That is good. We are urging other media houses, other religious bodies. What the Nyame Sumano is not all about the Bible. Yeah. Beyond the Bible, there are other things. Give us the platforms to also educate the general public on these things. The mosque as well, and then all others that have bigger platforms, yen ahemfo and all that, you know, when they meet, they can invite us. Or better still, no, they should push this agenda and educate the general public on these things, because it is rising in the schools and in our homes. What are we doing as individuals to help? Education. That is what we are doing now. And now the parents. PTA meetings. I'll speak straight to the schools. One main platform, no? That platform to also educate the parents on that. And then, as I said earlier, parents, remember wonja wamo frama no. Wonja mo frama ne fama the school. Entirely. Because a collective effort. Onye nyimpa krone juma. And then also, let's strengthen our reporting systems. So BBC, let's report. Encourage these children to report. Mema yen kata kata do. Talking on reporting, we have toll-free lines. Is it okay for me to share?
Yeah.
Okay, so with the gender ministries, there were 0800 800 800. I repeat, 0800 800 800. And then we also have 0800 900 900. 0800 900 900. Or yeah, for free. When you go to the Orange Support system as well, like the violence against domestic violence. Okay, so with that one too, yeah, well, 0800 111 222. 0800 111 222. Yeah, well, short code, that is the texting aspect of it. 8020.
8020 for
short,
texting.
yes, please, it's free. 8020.
Okay.
So these lines are available to everybody. So if you witness it and now one kasana you are being abused, just call. Also, no, when it's in the school, you can go to your guidance and counseling authorities, or you can also go to the overall authorities. So now you move outside the school. You can go to DOFSU. If you think DOFSU, some of them will show their of gender. Go to the social welfare strike. We are all there to protect children. Until say Edebray and I will also take it to the appropriate quarters. Let's report, because the criminal code says that wakata katadra when yinara let's report these issues. Namema yenja these things and say, or you fear asem, or you school asem. Let's report. The more we report and use somebody as a scapegoat, obviously it will reduce these things that are happening. And I know that the GES are working tirelessly on these things. But on your one pay juma, the various key stakeholders, nananum opinion leaders and all that, there we will protect these children. So let's stop sharing the videos. Let's stop sharing these kind of videos, because it goes a long way to affect Abufraba. At the end of the day, so now
you are to blame.
Exactly.
And you are not near for and come on and you so me hear interview be say where I don't have to even ask a question now. Na me nia jipa, because it goes a long way to tell me that if I na me na kasa no onim ni oka ho asem. What you say? Onim ni oka ho asem pa. Na enkomo ya ye di mpacho enkasa posta TV nkwa na enya ho. Me no mi no nyina na enya. Oh ye nyina ye de ka ho. Da no link na wo share no so wo kai. Wan kasa wo kai ye kai no adwen akoso. By now if I call the man no so forwarded many times. What you say? Yentu yemufo. Into no assembly day because the NC no say yes ne be after that no so no and also so here what you say ye bon de hu sanka masompo ye nte ho asempo ewo ye society nim nemum say yes ye so aye society mano ne ye after that and also so here pa and na be che say yes so jegu and answer ye dum no and also so here Nti mo me nhwe ehwo no so yie pa. All right.
To add to
Madam Ivy also.
Yes. So to add to what I'm saying, we are heading towards a particular goal, that is the Sustainable Development Goals. When we look at Goal 3, Goal 3 talks about good health. When we want the good health, abusing the child, and where is the good health? STI, so we have to prevent all these things, the teenage pregnancies and all that. We are aiming towards that goal. Now let's go to Goal 4. Goal 4 is quality education. So quality education is when your quality education like quality education, it goes with the environment in the school. The environment in the school should be safe. Environment is not just the physical environment. It goes beyond the physical environment. We have the emotional environment as well. So if the child is not safe in the school, how then does the child learn to achieve that quality education? Let's go to Goal 5. That is the gender equality. You could see that most of these cases, teacher-student relationship, most, I'm not saying all, but most of them is the abuse is towards the girls.
Yeah.
So we have to give the girls equal platform to also excel. Now let's go to Goal 16. Peace, justice, and strong institutions. This one aims at ending all violence against children.
Yeah.
So I am pleading, let's end violence against children. It doesn't matter whether you're a boy or a girl. No. Let's just end this. Let's report when we see. I hope then probably you may not know that some of these things that you do are abuses.
Yeah.
So let's rethink, re-evaluate ourselves. Now share the way forward in protecting our children in Central Region and beyond.
Be about this culture of silence.
Yes.
So if your parents be me sure say be probably but I say probably no or no only no when you say chance now they be expressing no into no ohun say the order of the day so necessary and he say akolabian so etimi ekasa omkasa okasa dodo ekasa bebre sa do into say bia nana parents be share no person onsesa sa de no ewunifia onsa say mfi nfa.
Yes, you start showing the child love because actually the way on shut up for a long time cannot come closer to you if there is an issue. So start showing the child love. When you start showing the child love, the child will see that there's something different about you. Now start talking to the child. Let the child know. Encourage and empower the child to speak up. And then Moframa, they learn best through imitations. You will fear your husband or whoever shuts you up. So it's a collective effort between the mother, the father. The child, the mother, the husband also shuts that particular person up. Yeah. So you have to work on yourselves as parents. Not Moframan, you say sit down and then you are standing. Moframan will do what you are doing. Yeah. They learn best through imitations. So what you need to do is that you change your ways and let the child, first you show the child love, asking questions and then change your ways. Now before bending who there, you are supposed to be a new role model. Now before bending who there, and then when the child talks, as any who cry, don't be like, hey, the child will not talk again. Okay. Obviously, the child will think that, hey, you will not talk again. But you will rather come down and listen, and then you advise the child. That when you do, so let's show love first, change our ways because they learn best through imitations, and then let's talk to them. They will open up and talk to us.
Miss Ivy, that's powerful. winner because I'm sure say one of the major challenges are most of us from an African home, you can testify.
Yeah.
When was the last time Kwa Mami Kacho said she's proud of you? Or your Papa Kacho say I love you? But I know that you basically started from baby. Now you're the aqua baby. Every time. And you may be improving. It's in so a step by step process. Yeah, shall say Kwadi, Ebeka could you ye name a baby. Now, and Commander Yedino, in fact, Uncle was say Yen Sanson twice to be brave, na yen carry brave and count. Because there's a lot I was say address it. And ye schools no kwampo and ye fee so eka home. A bra kwajo no ti we fisher one or ye my wife no. Making sure say obema obi ehu obi ate. And Miss Ivy, there is also the challenge of when who are there now wakwa report say ama let's say penny bi no. Obeka the wins for ye den. Wa born in the the wins for ye den so anyo hwe. There's that challenge, because only say, oh, okay, say, mama class we enya hwe. Nti no as ye twan say bibi besi ansana ma me na hu say okay and na fe are serious. Nti no me to one among. But that time so na aye too late.
Yes. I am serious as some now okay. Whenever you are sick, you wait till it is serious before you go to hospital. Okay. Yes. So that is why the Department of Children and other departments we go around the community to educate the parents as well, because some of them they don't even know these things are abuse, but little drops of water makes a mighty ocean. Into waba can also your phone 1 also your phone 2 on back can be. By the time you realize no na why ye mobe why to no mona or what to the highest why ye. So we go around to educate the parents. Say abufra baba can
one senior that them beam. Sani innocence no when yani beam up till now. Nti enuanum na do phone say a collective role. We ya wodi na menso me ya media ene be yi. Na ye nyina ye bu ya adwen gusu dia ene na ne ebe hu na ene na media ne so na ye hu no. Ni nyina ye ne effect ni bia eye ye ka ho effect e bia no. Nti ye say awo for teachers for school paying for yen so aye mofra no nyina ye wo ya said ye wo say ye play na emayen ka say okay ye kan kwala ho asem nti no so ye pani dia ene na eno de eye fala da bi ene no na ye ka as long as oye pani mpo na o ma o sa permission no wonni business bia say wonni ni bedi empenwa grabra wanjintu mo nti mpacho ye nyina ye nhye ne so na ye create that better future na ye hwehwe for ye ma no wo de akra no ko school akese private schools ane boarding po na say one man sa home training na ebeju baby enkosi aga nti na ye nhye ne so Coastal TV morning mix jumedie na oguso a wo hwe ene Wednesday the 1st of July 2026 e mo bia happy new month ye hye new month na sense na ye sua ade se na be ya ye new month no so ebe koyie bia bia adwu ye mfa seda mo sunfo nyankopon se wama ya babeju sampembe so enche ye be sorry jumedie no eso na Mr. Ivy Coastal TV there se nya ye discussion ni wi a na ya makwan bibia office nka wo se ye kan wansem a yanka no na wo de ato aso maye enya san so ase obi wo ha wo pesa wo nhia na obetimi de nso so aso so e de amaye.
Okay, I think we've touched on everything important. Inti mame pedamikanya, I just want to appreciate Coastal TV for this opportunity. Inti aya give us more opportunity like this, and then together we can help solve a problem in the society. Exactly. I just want to say thank you to Department of Children Central Region and awofo abufraba enyin for good 9 months wo wuye fum wa ba out woma yemfa odo emfa hwe moframa, because moframa ye dachi yenyiwa awon no wo ho na se yan hwe ekwan pana. Who is going to take over when we are away? Yempede mo family liability. We want them to be assets. We want them to be more than who we are. Inti Mishrewan, as we keep on saying, or a collective effort. But niti tuni ye awo fun. Wa says Mishrewan, mo fama ye ndachi. Let's help protect these children. Thank you.
Thank you to Miss Ivy Beauty Amartey, or ye acting regional director at the Department of Children, and only in few months and Krabatano, I was saying no only acting regional director at Massa Department. No, and a pair no enna ye no edin komo about this inappropriate relationship between paying for teachers. Parents any stepfathers no more count any minors no what church we say minor no you be or you below 18 when you 18 dia o ya kwala you are still a child nti some common ye di ya share causes ya share effect ya share solution any way forward no so ni nyina so ya discuss wa maka cho say ye stream e wo Facebook ye stream wo YouTube live and colored e wo ho nti no say once me and join here from the beginning, I bet me as a coachy, a share video do back channel no so a 514 digital into Bomodian say there be no be bookie appointment. Now uncomobi to say no me empower ubenya also on fast war e womu. Yan fast dama ya boa for a NPA National Petroleum Authority, Sanso and a diesel gift shop, Men's Hardware and Finishes, Nesto Ventures and a Patmo Print and a Taste Kitchen Services. Omono maso ya sin ama ye de morning mix